Are you ready to dive headfirst into the world of making money online? Well, you've just stumbled upon something pretty darn exciting. Today, we're going on a bit of an online treasure hunt, and let me tell you, the loot we're about to uncover is mind-blowing. But here's the deal, I've got a little secret, something so cool it's like finding hidden treasure in a video game. And guess what? You've got to stick around till the end to discover it. Let's begin. Our first method for making money online is freelancing. Freelancing is all about leveraging your skills to offer services to clients around the world. It's a fantastic way to earn money online, and here's how to get started. By the way, you can get discounts on these platforms using our affiliate links in the description and pinned comments. Identify your skills, determine what skills you excel at. Whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or digital marketing, there's a demand for various talents. Create a portfolio. Build an impressive online portfolio showcasing your best work. This will help you attract potential clients. Choose freelance platforms. Sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms connect you with clients seeking your skills. Bid wisely. When applying for jobs, bid competitively, and personalize your proposals. Highlight how your expertise can solve the client's problem. Deliver exceptional work. Reputation matters in freelancing. Always deliver high-quality work on time to build positive reviews and client relationships. Scale your business. As you gain experience in positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates and take on more clients. Remember, freelancing offers flexibility and income potential, but success depends on your skills and dedication. Method number 2 is affiliate marketing. This is a strategy where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. You can get discounts on these platforms using our affiliate links in the description and pinned comments. Let's dive into the details. Choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests or expertise. This makes content creation more enjoyable and authentic. Research affiliate programs. Find reputable affiliate programs related to your niche. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide range of products. Create valuable content. Produce content that provides value to your audience. This can be in the form of reviews, tutorials, or recommendations. Integrate affiliate links. Strategically place affiliate links within your content. Make sure they are relevant and non-intrusive. Build an audience. Focus on growing your audience through SEO, social media, and email marketing. The larger your audience, the more potential for affiliate sales. Track and optimize. Use analytics tools to track your affiliate marketing performance. Adjust your strategies based on what works best. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize your online presence, but remember to maintain trust with your audience by being transparent about your affiliations. Method 3 involves blogging, and it's an excellent way to earn money online while sharing your passion or expertise. Remember, you can get discounts on these platforms using our affiliate links in the description and pinned comments. Here's how to start. Choose a niche. Select a niche that you're passionate about and has an audience. Research keywords to identify popular topics. Set up your blog. Choose a domain name and hosting provider. Platforms like WordPress make it easy to create and manage your blog. Create quality content. Write informative, engaging, and valuable articles that resonate with your target audience. Consistency is key. Optimize for SEO. Learn SEO basics to improve your blog's visibility on search engines. Use relevant keywords and optimize your content. Monetize strategically. There are various monetization methods, including affiliate marketing, display ads, Google AdSense, sponsored posts, selling digital products, ebooks, courses, memberships/subscriptions. Build an audience. Promote your blog through social media, email newsletters, and guest posting to grow your readership. Blogging requires patience, but it can become a sustainable source of passive income over time. Method 4 revolves around e-commerce, where you can start your online store and sell products. Again, you can get discounts on these platforms using our affiliate links in the description and pinned comments. Here's how to set yourself up for e-commerce success. Choose your products. Decide what you want to sell. It could be physical products, digital goods, or a combination of both. Create your online store. Select an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce for WordPress, or BigCommerce. Customize your store's design and functionality. Source products. Find reliable suppliers or create your products if it's a handmade or digital store. Optimize product listings. Write compelling product descriptions. Take high-quality images, and optimize for SEO to attract customers. Payment and shipping. Set up secure payment gateways and efficient shipping methods. Offer multiple payment options to cater to customer preferences. Market your store. Utilize digital marketing strategies like social media advertising, email marketing, and content marketing to attract visitors. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat business. E-commerce can be highly profitable, but it's essential to research your niche, competition, and target audience thoroughly. Here we are, at the final method that can truly be a game changer in your quest to make money online, creating a successful YouTube channel. This method is not only fascinating but also incredibly rewarding. Let's explore it in detail. Choose your niche. Start by selecting a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and what you're passionate about. This ensures you can create content consistently. Content on YouTube. Content is king. Create high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your target audience. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, vlogs, or entertainment, quality matters. Monetize with ads. The primary way most YouTubers make money is through ads. Once you meet YouTube's criteria, you can enable monetization and earn revenue from ads displayed on your videos. Affiliate marketing. Incorporate affiliate marketing into your content. Recommend products or services related to your niche and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. Sponsored content. As your channel grows, you may attract sponsors willing to pay for product placements or dedicated videos. Ensure these sponsorships align with your audience's interests. Merchandise and products. Create and sell merchandise or digital products related to your channel's content. This can be t-shirts, ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content for members. Build your audience. Focus on growing your subscriber base and engaging with your audience. Interact with comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. YouTube Premium and channel memberships. Once eligible, offer channel memberships and access to exclusive content to your most dedicated fans. Track and analyze. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor your channel's performance. Understand what works and what doesn't to continually improve your content. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Don't be discouraged by slow initial growth. Keep creating and refining your content. Making money on YouTube is a combination of creativity, consistency, and audience engagement. But when done right, it can provide you with both financial rewards and the opportunity to share your passions with the world. If you're intrigued by any of these methods and want to explore them further, I've got something special for you. Watch the next video in this series, where we'll dive deep into each method, providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Don't forget to use our affiliate links in the description and pinned comments to get discounts on the platforms we covered on this video. Don't miss out on this opportunity to change your financial future. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of online money makers. Remember, your journey to financial freedom begins now.